Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Warm the engine so deposits loosen, park safely, and put on gloves. Use an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner now to read and record codes so you know which component to target. Next, remove the intake or access panel carefully. You want clear access to the EGR, MAF, or O2 sensor. Once done, gently clean visible carbon using approved cleaner and a soft brush, avoiding sensitive electronics and plastic housings. You now tackle the complex middle steps with deliberate technique. Remove the EGR valve or throttle body when buildup prevents movement. Soak metal parts in cleaner and scrub with a non-metal brush to avoid scoring. When cleaning MAF or O2 sensors, use sensor-safe spray and do not touch the sensing surface. Damage creates false readings. Make sure to inspect rubber hoses and gaskets for leaks. Replace any brittle parts, because a small leak undermines the whole emissions system's performance. You finish by reassembling methodically and validating results. Install new gaskets, tighten to specifications, and reconnect the battery. Then clear codes and run a full drive cycle while monitoring live sensor data such as MAF airflow, O2 voltages, and EGR position. This confirms the fix under load. If a code returns, focus your troubleshooting on wiring and connectors first, then vacuum leaks, and finally replace the sensor. A repeated code usually means an electrical or leak issue, rather than cleaning alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.